Hi, in this video I will demonstrate the possibilities and advantages of the Minerva portable high pressure case. The MNR 350 G620 case is specially designed for the GE Druk DPI 620 and its accompanying PM620 pressure modules. The Minerva portable high pressure case can accommodate one GE Druk DPI 620G, and we click it in like this. This case offers improved efficiency to quickly and safely perform clean high pressure calibrations at your location. This case enables you to perform safe pneumatic calibrations up to a maximum pressure of 250 bars, not contaminate the device under test with oil or water, perform precise test pressure control using a pressure balanced volume adjuster, eliminate trouble with trapped air in a hydraulic system, exchange calibrator pressure modules quick and easy. Now I'm ready to demonstrate you the advantages of our Minerva portable high pressure case by performing a real calibration. For this calibration we're going to use a PM620 pressure module, in this case it's a 100 bar version, to calibrate a 25 bar analog gauge. First we're going to connect my pressure module. Screw it in all the way, hand tight, and it will be automatically recognized by the DPI 620. It gives a nice 0.00 bar. Next we're going to connect my device under test, the analog gauge, by means of a high pressure flex tube. After doing this, we're good to go. Before starting the actual calibration, we're going to perform a leak test. A leak test is performed by applying a pressure slightly higher than the maximum pressure of my device under test. Starting from vent conditions, we need to manipulate a couple of valves. First, I'm going to close the vent valve. Secondly, I'll make sure the up valve is closed and I carefully open my isolation valve. Next, I'm going to manipulate my pressure regulator until my regulated pressure indicates a pressure slightly higher than what we are going to perform, so slightly higher than 25 bars. Minus is closed, carefully open the up valve and watch my device under tests. After waiting for a short period of time to eliminate any adiabatic effects in my system, I will check my readout of my device under test, and I see it's absolutely not changing, so no leak, ready to start the calibration. Our calibration system passed the leak tests, so we're ready to start the calibration. Remember, we're still at 25 bars. Typically, performing a calibration of an analog gauge, we will start at 0. So I will make sure my up valve is closed, and I will vent the system in a controlled manner. I can tap my analog gauge. And this is my first calibration point. So I will check the reading of my device under test. It's slightly below 0, and I'll make it minus 0.5 bars. And I'm ready to go to the first pressure point. Typically, if you look at the analog gauge, 5 bars, 10 bars, 15 bars, 20 bars and 25 bars are the points I want to calibrate, because those are the major intervals. So we performed the 15 and the 20 bar points, and now we are almost at the maximum pressure, the 25 bars. You see that the pressure still is slightly below 25 bars, and I want to manipulate the pressure until it's exactly at 25 by using the fine adjuster. At 25 bars, it's still very easy to manipulate the pressure, because it's a pressure compensated variable volume, and it will always rotate pretty smooth even at 250 bars. So 25 bars, slightly adjusts, that's nominal, equals 24.86. So dependent on the procedure, we're going to run a full excursion downwards, or in this case for the demonstration video, I will just send and record the 0. Up valve closed, I manipulate the regulator pressure down, open my vent valve, and the 0 is again minus 0.05. Against my reference being 0. So this was the end of the calibration. There's one thing we still need to do, is we'll need to put the Minerva portable high pressure case in a safe condition so that it's transportable and not accidentally start bleeding nitrogen somewhere. So we'll close my isolation valve, which isolates my internal gas bottles until this valve. So everything is blocked now. Vent valve is open, up valve is closed. You're 100% sure there is no pressure. I can remove my test line. I can shut down my DPI 620, put the dust cap on, and we're ready to go to the next job. So I hope I demonstrated the ease of use of our Minerva portable high pressure case. If there are any questions remaining, don't hesitate to contact me. My name is Karel Adolfsen.